We are talking a series of different customs and tradition of Indian pharma business. In this series today we will be talking about a very important custom, that is annual budget system and annual appraisal system. Let's talk about them one by one. Normally we start preparing our budget by the end of November, and in some company we start in the October itself. So different companies circulate different format to stakeholders, whether it's a business head, divisional head, marketing managers and so on. And these professionals then spend days and night and different permutation combinations are being prepared. Then start a series of first cut, first discussion, second cut, another discussion, third cut, another discussion, and like this it goes on. Till the month of February, this process goes on, and toward the end of February, the discussion process pick up the pace and some seriousness also. Till then, it is just like a match of table tennis where ball goes from one side of table to another side of table. Different companies then finalize budget from the end of February towards the end of April. Most companies, although they approve by towards the end of March or in the first week of April, but company to company it vary, because as I mentioned, some company can even approve as early as in the mid of February also, and some goes towards the end of April also. But more so we can say a period of March end or April beginning. After the entire process finish, people come to know that promoter already had a figure in the mind, and it was all backward calculation or the fitment of these numbers, whether top line or the bottom line. This means that this budget exercise was of little use as number of already freezed. However, we can see the utility just like 40 years back or even 30 years back. A student used to sharpen their mind by remembering tables, or what you say is in the pahades. So somebody says tell the pahad of 29, pahad of 39, and that used to be very difficult, and which a student never find enough use in their life. It's that kind of exercise. It took several meetings which involved a lot of time and money across the hierarchy, that too religiously. Sometimes company do these meetings in the hill, sometimes out session or kind of outbound meeting, some kind traveling outside, and different things, interesting things companies wanted to do it. And we are doing it for years, just like a custom and tradition in the pharma. Overall, it takes something between 4 to 6 months in a year, that too as a priority exercise. We need to challenge this custom and make it a short, objective and practical. If everything is already freezed, then there is no point of doing this exercise, as we need to put this time in developing and implementing strategies on the achievement towards these numbers. Another similar exercise is annual appraisal. Normally appraisal cycles in the different companies are in April to March. Most of the companies, very little, few company has got Jan to December. Therefore, companies begin their circulating appraisal form from the February end or March beginning. Then different follow-up, routing through different hierarchies, and finally reached office. Whether business head or HR, this process takes 2 to 3 months. Then begin an Excel sheet exercise in the head office, and this discussion also takes 2 to 3 months. One fine day, an Excel sheet get approved on certain parameters, which I would not like to disclose here in the public domain, but these parameters are certainly different than those mentioned in the appraisal form. This leads to issuing increment letter somewhere between July to September, and this way this appraisal process also takes 5 to 6 months. Although real discussion took 1 to 2 days only, but just like a budgeting exercise, here also appraisal form have hardly any role to play. But we do this exercise also for 4 to 6 months, simply because it's another custom or tradition in the pharma business. In the time of high objectivity, where we need to be more transparent, less bureaucratic and more result oriented, and we spend almost 10 months of the year in one of these two things, either the annual budget system or appraisal system, which is of little use. I hope in the time to come our industry leaders will look into this and spending time more objective way and more transparent way, where we can improve productivity of our division or our business even much better the way we are doing it now.